Hello there, my name is Veena Prashant. I'm the co-founder of digitalaccesspass.com, fondly known as DAP. DAP is a membership plugin for WordPress. I'm also the creator of a plugin called DAP2DAP. The idea behind this plugin is if you want to connect different DAP-powered membership sites, whether it's to deliver bonuses or upsells or order bumps, or if you want to connect to a different partner site who also uses DAP, you can do this very easily, very quickly using the DAP2DAP plugin. So in this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes to show you step by step how you can install and set up the DAP2DAP plugin. So when users get access to a product on the source site, you can configure DAP2DAP to automatically give them access to a product on the destination site. Number 2, remove access. When users lose access to a product on the source site, maybe because they canceled or because of non-payment, whatever the case may be, when users lose access to a product on the source site, you can configure DAP2DAP to automatically remove their access to the product from the destination site. Number 3, you can keep user accounts in sync between the source site and the destination site. What this means is when users update their password or their profile information on the source site, if you want that to be synced to the destination site, so users can continue using the same credentials to log into the destination site, all you have to do is enable syncing between the source site and the destination site. Again, that's a DAP2DAP configuration. It's really easy to set up. And as long as you have access to the DAP2DAP plugin, you can do all of this very easily with the click of a few buttons using the DAP automation engine. Alright, so now let me show you how you can install and set up the DAP2DAP plugin. First thing you need to do is log in to your members area on the Wicked Cool plugin site and download the DAP2DAP installer. So after you download the plugin, go to WordPress dashboard and upload the DAP2DAP installer plugin just like any other WordPress plugin and activate it. After you activate it, click on DAP2DAP installer and it will bring up a page like this. Here you will find an option to select the version number of DAP2DAP that you're looking to install. So just select the version number and click on the one-click install button. It will upload the DAP2DAP files to your server. And you need to do this both on the source site and the destination site. So on both sides, install the DAP2DAP installer plugin and then upload the files through the one-click install button. So that's it. That's all you have to do as far as the installation is concerned. Now, even if you're looking to upgrade, if you already have DAP2DAP and you're just looking to upgrade, it's the exact same steps. So just select the version number that you're looking to upgrade to or install and then click on the button to complete the upload of the files to your server. And make sure to do this on both the source site and the destination site. Once you're done with this, the next step is to go to the DAP automation engine and set up your DAP2DAP automations. That's all. All right. So all you have to do is download the DAP2DAP installer plugin, upload it to your site, activate it, use the installer plugin to upload DAP2DAP files to your server. Do this on both the source site and the destination site. And once the installation is complete, all you have to do is set up your automation rules in the DAP automation page, and that's all you have to do to connect the site. So let's start with the product automation. So I'm going to click on this. So here I'm going to select Gold Membership. This is my source site. When users receive access to the Gold Membership product on my source site, I want them to receive access to a same name product on the destination site. And I want to deliver my content from the destination site. So all the content for the Gold Membership product, I have it on the destination site. I don't have it on the source site, but the product exists on the source site. So I have selected the Gold Membership product here, and I'm going to click on Start Automation and add a trigger. So the trigger is when user receives access to product. Save the trigger. So when users receive access to the Gold Membership product on the source site, add an action. What I want to do is select DAP2DAP here. So this is something we have added newly. You'll see an option for DAP2DAP, and this will only show up if you have access to the DAP2DAP license. Select DAP2DAP and then select action. So here it says add user to product on destination site or remove user's access to the product from the destination site. So I'm going to select add user to product on the destination site. So here it says enter destination domain. So here I'm going to enter the destination domain. Enter secret key. So this is something you have to enter in the setup config page on your destination site This is for security reasons to make sure that only valid requests are allowed to add user to product on your site. Whatever you enter in the secret authorization key here, make sure to copy this. It can be anything you want it to be. Then just go back to the source site and here enter the same key. All right. And that's it. Click here to set up connection with the destination site. So click on this button. So you can see it picks up all the products that you have on the destination site. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to manually enter product name. It shows you all the products that you have on the destination site. All right. So now this is the product which I want to sync. So again, you can select more than one product. So if users get access to gold membership on the source site, but if you want to give them access to multiple bonus products, for example, on the destination site, you can select all of those products here from the destination product list. So here I'll just select one and save action. All right. So when users receive access to the product gold membership on the source site, they will automatically receive access to the right product on the destination site. That automation has been set up now. Now I want to add another trigger because when users receive access to the gold membership on the source site, I want to give them access to the same product on the destination site. Similarly, when users cancel their membership, when they lose access to the gold membership on the source site, I'm going to add another trigger here that says when user loses access to the product on the source site to the gold membership product, add an action. I want to also remove their access to the product from the destination site. So here I have entered the domain name, secret key, click here to set up connection. I'll select the product. So users will lose access to this product on the destination site. Save it. That's it. So you can see here, gold membership automation is when users receive access to gold membership, they are added to the product on the destination site. And when users lose access to the gold membership, they will lose access to the configured product from the destination site. That's it. So the automation is set up. So the next thing we are going to do is set up profile automation, and then I'll test it and show you how it works. So let's go back to the manage automation page. I'm going to now click on profile automation. So here I want to configure DAP to sync any password updates to the destination site. So that's what I'm looking to do with the profile automation. So I'm going to just give it a name, profile update, start automation. Add a trigger, select trigger when user profile is updated on the source site, save it, add an action. What should happen is I want the profile to be synced to the destination site. So what's the destination site? Enter the domain name, enter the secret key. Again, the secret key is something that you have to get from the DAP setup config page on the destination site. Whatever you have entered there, make sure to enter the same key here. Click here to set up the connection. So here you can see all of these fields are there and you can sync any of these fields to the destination site. You can select all. If you want to sync all the fields to the destination site, so when users change any one of these fields on the source site, they will all be synced to the destination site. Or you can just select specific fields. So if you just want to keep first name, last name, email, and password in sync, you can just select those 4 fields. So it really depends on what your specific needs are, and then go ahead and save action. That's it. So now DAP on the source site has been set up to sync profile updates to the destination site, and it will only sync the selected fields. Now let's go ahead and test it because all the automation has been set up between the source site and the destination site. So now we can go ahead and test this. So I'm going to quickly do a couple of tests here. First thing, I'm going to go to the DAP members add page and give a new user access to the gold membership product on the source site. So what should happen is the user should automatically receive access to the gold membership product on the destination site because that's how I have set this up. Also, the product names between the source site and the destination sites, they don't have to match. In my case, it does match for testing, but it does not have to match. All right, so I'm going to give this user access to the gold membership product. I'm going to click on add member. So I have added this user on the source site. And now I'm going to go and log into the destination site and let's check if this user got access to the product on the destination site. So this is the DAP members manage page on the destination site. And you can see here, this user has received access to the product on the destination site. So all I did was I gave this user access to this product on the source site. And because through the automation engine, I had connected gold membership on my source site to the gold membership on the destination site. So this user automatically received access to the gold membership product on the destination site. So this is how easy it is to add users to completely different domain, completely different DAP sites. So now let's go ahead and test profile updates. So this is the source site and this is the DAP edit member page on the source site. So I have changed this user's password on the source site because I have enabled password syncing. So this same password should have made it to the destination site as well. So now I'm going to try to log into the destination site using this password, using this new password. All right, so let's go ahead and test it. All right, so this is the login page on the destination site. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as this user and I'm using the new password. So as you can see, the login was successful. So I changed password on site A. It was automatically synced to site B and I was able to log into site B using the updated password. So as you can see, this is an incredibly powerful feature. If you have any questions about this plugin, I'll be happy to answer them for you. Just join my Facebook group. It's at membershipsitelab.com/group and you are welcome to post your questions there. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.